Is it time to buy or sell BigBear.ai Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore BigBear.ai Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of February, 2025, our system has categorized BigBear.ai Holdings as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 3.66. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has suffered a loss of negative 41.41%. This equates to an average daily loss of negative 2.59% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently resides in the lower segment of a broad and weak upward trend in the short term, which may represent an excellent buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor, positioned at $2.99, is breached, it would first suggest a deceleration in the rate of increase and could also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 6.91% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from 6.64% to 258.10%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 60.95%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 59.85% to 444.58% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $4.80 and $16.34. Our latest daily update for BigBear.ai Holdings includes the headline: BigBear.ai Holdings stock price down 3.54% on Thursday. The BigBear.ai Holdings stock price experienced a decline of 3.54% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 20th of March, 2025. The price decreased from $3.11 to $3. During the trading session, the stock fluctuated by 4.94%, with a low of $2.95 and a high of $3.10. The price has decreased in 5 out of the last 10 days and is down by 28.57% during this period. Notably, trading volume also fell on the last day, which is generally seen as a positive indicator since volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 4 million shares, with a total of 18 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $55.34 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $10.35, while the lowest was $1.17. Currently, the price stands at 71.01%, or $7.35, below the 52-week high, and 81.39%, or $13.12, below the all-time high reached on the 6th of April, 2022, when the price peaked at $16.12. This week, BigBear.ai, trading under the symbol BBAI, has experienced a notable decline in its stock price, decreasing by more than 14% since last Friday and falling 60% over the past month. The main factor behind this downward trend has been the company's announcement regarding delays in submitting its annual 10K report, along with certain financial statements being labeled as unreliable. Such uncertainty often raises concerns among investors, resulting in increased sell-offs. Furthermore, BigBear is currently under investigation for possible violations of federal securities laws, which has intensified scrutiny on the company. Multiple firms are looking into these matters, creating a troubling environment that could discourage potential investors and erode confidence in the company's financial health. In the short term, this negative sentiment may continue to exert pressure on the stock price as investors respond to the ongoing investigations and the associated risks tied to financial uncertainty. Looking ahead, the company's ability to effectively address these issues and restore investor confidence will be crucial for a potential rebound. If successful, it could stabilize the stock and possibly attract new investments. However, the immediate outlook seems grim, as market fears may overshadow any recovery efforts in the near term. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 30th of December, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned BBAI a buy rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 15th of October, 2024, H.C. Wainwright again provided BBAI with a buy rating and a hold action. Analysts have issued a general sell rating for BigBear.ai Holdings stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have assigned the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for BigBear.ai Holdings. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings is displaying sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal exists due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels $3.23 and $5.55. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, February 13, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by nearly 70%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. The trading volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 25 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 88 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 20 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 131 days ago. For more insights and signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for BigBear.ai Holdings. BigBear.ai Holdings finds support from accumulated volume at $2.98. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock carries a very high risk designation. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 14 cents between its highest and lowest points, reflecting a change of 4.94%. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 7.77%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we should consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric reflects a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to circumstances beyond their control. However, persistent negative PE ratios might suggest a lack of profitability and could signal risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at a loss of 6 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for BigBear.ai Holdings. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for BigBear.ai Holdings is at $3.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, BigBear.ai Holdings encounters its first support level at $2.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for BigBear.ai Holdings from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 5,216,361 shares of common stock. On the 17th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 2,314,872 shares of common stock. On the 12th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 3,629,108 shares of common stock. On the 13th of March, 2025, Pangiam Ultimate Holdings LLC executed an insider sale of 1,707,837 shares of common stock. On the 12th of March, 2025, Hayes Dorothy D. executed an insider sale of 16,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 93.151. In total, insiders purchased 4,510,799 shares and sold 117,738,784 shares during the last 100 trades. We hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and currently, no stop loss has been established. Is BigBear.ai Holdings stock a good buy? The stock of BigBear.ai Holdings presents several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that BigBear.ai Holdings will experience weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of March, we expect BigBear.ai Holdings to open higher by approximately 0.18 of a dollar, initiating trading at $3.02. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.